Hi, Year 7. Welcome back. Today we're looking at subtracting decimals. Now, this is very similar to the adding decimals that we did yesterday. So let's go through it. What we're going to do, just like we did last lesson, is we're going to estimate before we then calculate. Okay, so we're going to round to the nearest whole number, try to work out what number we should be expecting to find, and then we're going to do our subtraction using our written techniques. So, estimating. Okay, we can use our approximately equals to sign. Oh, excuse me. Okay, and then we can see roughly what we're going to expect. So we've got 33. Okay, that first number rounds to about 33, and then the next one rounds to about 9. So 33 minus 9, we should be looking for a number around 24. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do our written techniques. Again, this is just like subtraction that we did in term 1, except we've got to put the decimal point in the right place. So our first number is 32.876. Our next number, we're going to make sure it's 9. That goes in the units column, and then the point goes underneath, and then it's 0019. Now we have up to our 10 thousandths with this number here. So we're just going to put another 0 above it so that we've got a unit in each column as such. So make sure you line it up so the decimal points are in the right place, the units are underneath each other, and every other place value matches. Don't put the 9 under the 3, okay? You're going to get a wrong answer if you do that. Okay, and we're subtracting. So all we're going to do is like we did in term 1, we're going to just subtract from right to left, and we're going to do the borrowing technique. Okay, so if we need to borrow from something, then we can take 1 away from the number next to it, and then subtract from 10 or add that 1 to the column on the right. So this first one, we've got 0 minus 9, and we can't do 0 minus 9, or we're going to get a negative 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the next number to a 5, and we're going to add the 1 here. So it's going to be 10 minus 9, which gives us 1. Okay, and our new subtraction for this next column is 5 minus 1, which is going to be 4. Okay, and we don't need to borrow anything for that one. For this next one here, we've got 7 minus 0, which is just 7. And then again, 8 minus 0, which is just 8. And then our decimal point goes underneath. Okay, and then finally, our last number here, we've got 2 minus 9, and we can't do that, so we're going to have to borrow. So we take 1 away from the number next to it and add the 1, so it becomes 12 minus 9, which is then 3. And then 2 minus 0 just gives us 2 here. So you can see, again, our estimation of 24 was pretty close to the number that we got in the end, 23.8741. Okay, now for today's lesson, you're going to be doing some mathletics, okay, which includes some of the subtracting, but also the adding decimals and the rounding decimals that you did earlier this week. So good luck with those. Do let me know if you have any issues logging in or any issues getting the work done on mathletics. Let me know and we can work something out. But good luck today, and enjoy and have a good weekend. And I'll see you in person next week, which is very exciting. Make sure you bring your maths books, okay, and anything else that you would usually bring to maths lesson when you were back here last term. Okay. Thank you very much, Year 7, and I'll see you next week.